This function calculates the price per 100 reais of a nominal value of a guarantee that pays interest periodically.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
Let's enter our table and now the information. Let's enter our date first. Insert report trying to put in date. Short date. Our second date. Also in short date. Now our coupon percentage. Now also here, percentage. Here our value of 100. Here too, our base. And now let's insert the new measure for the price function. The price. Price. Date. And ask me what is the date. The first date we want to insert is this one. 2017. Here the month, 11. Day 15. What is our second date? Date. 2008. Month 2. Day 15. Ask me what is our rate. 0.057. 0.575. Here are other 0.065. What is our value here? 100. Our frequency 2. And our base 0. Insert the information. Let's see what is the value that gave the error. Price. The date. Commas. Insert the value. 0.065. I think here is the error in the dates. I think I made a mistake in the dates. Let me see. Here it is. It was in error. I had to put inverted. Let's see. Hit enter. I put the date inverted. It had to be first the date. This one. And then this one, then I can invert here. To be sure. To calculate, because if not, I calculate a value before and after. Here is 2017 and here is 2018, resulting in a value of 94.63.